This is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you some more 1 to 64 cars from my collection. These models are made by Greenlight Collectibles. Very nice models indeed. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, to leave your likes and your comments below, and to click the bell for news. So let's go on. First car I'm going to show you is this 1955 Chevy 210 Handyman. This is a station wagon that's a basic one. It's usually a working car. This one has got a fixed hood, fixed doors and fixed tailgate, so nothing in this car really actually opens, but it's still very nice. Wheels and tires are very nice. The chassis looks very good. We can see the single exhaust, and it's very rich in details. That's a very nice car. I really like it. That's from Greenlight State Wagons collection. The next car is this 55 Bel Air Nomad. So this is really nice. That's as we can see, it's a little more luxurious than this one. PNC piers here at an angle are not vertical, just like this one, which would be a little more like delivery wagon than this one. This one with more trims and more ornaments, fancier wheels and tires, as well as a fancier tailgate, as we can see here. The next one is this 1985 Ltd Country Squire. That's a very nice station wagon. That's the way I like a station wagon. I like those cars. Those some people say they're boxy, but I don't care. I really like the way those cars look. Those full-size station wagons with this wood grain here on the side. This is a sort of heritage from those woody wagons that were made after the Second World War. So this is a very nice station wagon. And by the way, this station wagon was based for the Queen family truckster from the movie National Lampoon's Vacation. So as we can see, there are great similarities, because this car came from this one. I like this one better, of course, but this one is still very cool, since it's I would say it's a movie icon. We can see in the front that they've used the headlights, but instead of putting 4 headlights, they had 8 headlights. This hole here instead of a grill, and the bumper was lower down, so this car really looks a little weird. And this Queen family truckster, it's from that collection Hollywood Hitch and Tow, and it comes along with this Ford pickup. That's a 1972 Ford F100 pickup. And this truck, especially for that collection, has got that wood grain, just like same pattern. It's made in the family truckster. It's supposed to look kind of weird, just like that one. And it's got this very nice V8 and opening hood. And I have the 1971 Ford pickup, but this one is a Ford pickup Explorer with the long bed. As we can see, the bed is a little bit longer, the color is about the same. We can compare both fronts and see the differences between this one and that one. The next truck I have is 1970 Ford. It's also a 1970 Ford F100 Explorer with a V8 just like that one. We can see the difference between 1970 and 1971, because grills are different, but they are basically that. The truck is basically the same, the rear, the front, tail lights, the bed. It's also a long bed truck, just like that one. And last but not least is one of my favorites. That's the 1979 Ford LTD. The truckster, the family truckster, was actually made from a 1979, not a 1985, but since 1979 and 1985 are quite similar. Doesn't make any difference anyway, comparing a truckster to the 1985 and the 1979. So these were some of my 1 to 64 cars I wanted to show in this video. I'd like to thank you for all views, for all likes and comments. Please don't forget to give me your like, to subscribe my channel, to leave your comments below, and to stay tuned for next videos that are about to come. I'd like to thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.